To reset all settings on an Android phone, you need to understand the process and its implications. Resetting all settings will restore your phone's settings to their default values, which means you will lose all customized settings, including Wi-Fi passwords, display settings, and more. First, go to your phone's Settings app, which is usually found on the home screen or in the app drawer. Scroll down and select the option that says System or Advanced, depending on your phone's manufacturer. Next, look for the option that says Reset Options or Backup and Reset, and select it. You may need to scroll down to find this option, as it is often located at the bottom of the page. Once you are in the Reset Options page, select the option that says Reset All Settings or Reset Settings. This will bring up a warning message that explains what will happen when you reset all settings. Read the message carefully and make sure you understand what you are about to do. If you are sure you want to proceed, select the option that says Reset Settings or Reset All Settings. You may be asked to enter your phone's PIN, pattern, or password to confirm the reset. After you confirm the reset, your phone will automatically reset all settings to their default values. This process may take a few seconds to complete, and your phone may restart during the process. It is essential to note that resetting all settings will not delete any of your personal data, such as photos, contacts, or apps. However, it will reset all customized settings, including those related to your phone's display, sound, and connectivity. Before you reset all settings, make sure to back up any important data, such as your Wi-Fi passwords. To avoid losing them, you can use a third-party app or a cloud service to back up your data. In summary, resetting all settings on an Android phone is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. However, it is crucial to understand the implications of resetting all settings and to back up any important data before proceeding. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can reset all settings on your Android phone and start with a clean slate.